guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be vlogging, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow and Saturday as well. I'm not actually sure what I'm going to include in this vlog yet. So I have a little announcement for you guys. Ryan bought me a kitty. Yeah, so Ryan got me this kitten for an early anniversary gift because our anniversary is in a couple weeks. So this was my present. I got him early. His name is Kakashi. All you guys who watch Naruto will know what I'm talking about. Hey, look at the camera, baby. So me and Ryan are about to walk up the Hucks. If you don't know where that is, it's honestly such a beautiful like little walk. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, and then we're also gonna be going out for dinner tonight, go on a little date night. But yeah, that's all we have planned so far for the day. So this is my fitness outfit to walk up the Hucks. I am wearing a Nike singlet and then some Puma tights. What are you up to? He's scratching my hair. He's scratching my ass. Oh my god, stop. How cute is my kitten though? Hi baby. So we just got to Narawa here. We are walking to the Hucks now. This is Ryan's first time going up, but I used to go up here like once a week last year. But now I'm really unfit, so let's see how I handle this. Sweating and we're not even halfway through. We made it to the top, guys, and it took us 47 minutes. So we just made it to the top. The view is honestly amazing from up here. It looks so beautiful, especially at this time of day. If you haven't been up here before, honestly, you need to try it. What are you doing?
Bye.
No! So it is now 6 o'clock. We just got to the bottom. It took us about 25 minutes roughly to get down, but we were running like in the dark, so we had to kind of be cautious. And it was a really nice rundown. How did you find that for your first time?
Easy.
Easy. So we're finally home now. We're gonna take a quick shower and then get ready to go out for dinner. So my makeup is done now. I've brushed my hair out and I've just picked an outfit. So this is my outfit for tonight. I just have a red sweater, some white ripped jeans, my boots, and a belt from Glassons. And look at my mans, he's looking good. Wow, what is this though?
Man purse.
Yeah, we're gonna head out for dinner now. We are going to Furnace in Hamilton. We've never actually been there before and we're trying to try out some new different restaurants. So yeah, that's where we're going. You ready?
Yeah.
I am actually starving. Oh my god. Okay.
I have lipstick on me now.
No you don't.
Yeah.
So we both got pork for dinner and a side of wedges with aioli sauce. It looks so good and smells so good. I'm starving. How'd you enjoy that?
Best food in Hamilton.
Wow, you heard it guys. Best food in Hamilton. So we're home now. Dinner was really good. Ryan loved it, but I thought it was nice, but I really prefer Asian food. I would have enjoyed it better if we went to like a Chinese restaurant or a Thai restaurant or something, but it was nice.
Best food in Hamilton.
He reckons it's his favorite restaurant now.
It was good.
My favorite restaurant in Hamilton would probably be
Kong.
Master House. So it is currently 9:18 and I have to leave for Auckland at 3 AM. So I'm going to be filming a boyfriend tag this week coming. So if you guys want to, ask me some questions in the comments and I will feature you in the boyfriend tag and give you a little shout out with your question. So I'm going to take my makeup off now. I'm going to show you how I take off my makeup. I generally always do this in the shower, but I literally just showered before I went out for dinner, so I'm not going to shower again because I've already showered twice today, this morning and at night time, and I can't be bothered. So I've been using the Okana skincare for about a week I'd say now, so I'm really liking it so far. I'm going to start off with the Okana Radiant Skin Sorbet Cleanser. This is what it looks like. Just pull that off. And this is what it looks like. I'm just going to grab that, like that much. And then I'm going to take off my makeup. I've been using this for about a week now. I really like it. It really takes off my makeup so nicely. I've been using their whole skincare range. They were nice enough to send it to me. If you guys want a proper like skincare routine, like day and night, let me know and I'll film that for you guys. And now I'm going to use the face cloth they sent me. I'm going to soak it in hot water and then use it to wipe this off. Just gonna go on with this and wipe it all off, and look at that. So I just took off all my makeup and done my skincare for the night, and now I am downstairs gonna play some games with my flatmate. Good morning guys, it is currently Friday. It is, what time is it? 4 AM. We are halfway to Auckland. We're just getting gas at the moment. Zarin is fast asleep in the back seat. Oh, he's awake now. And there's Capri. So we're just getting gas. We left like 15 minutes later than we should have this morning because we were all very tired. I got an hour sleep. I tried to get 2 hours, but I just couldn't fall asleep. I'm taking Capri's car. I'm driving her car at the moment, just because her car is a lot cheaper on gas than mine is, because mine's a newer car and hers is a bit older. So I'm driving her car to drop her off at the airport. I am super tired. Just got and any drink, and then I'm also going to get a coffee when we're in the airport. Say goodbye to Capri.
Bye.
Okay, so
bye, bitch.
so we are now back on the road. Let's go. So we just got to the airport. It is currently 4:45, so we got here a lot earlier than we should have because of my speeding. But yeah, because we left late, but we got here like way earlier, so that is great because her flight doesn't leave till 6. How you feeling?
Flight, great. I'm pumped. I'm ready to go. Let's go have a beer.
I'm saying is
Wow.
That was meant to happen.
Hey yo, anyone want to play a game of tag in the airport real quick?
Yeah, let go.
Bang.
Are you gonna get any breakfast?
Do they get alcohol?
What'd you say?
Mac and cheese.
Oh, 200 kgs.
Oh, off the scale.
Just way too early for this.
That dude's Smith.
Who's that cute girl over there?
No, thanks.
Oh, is she single?
Let's hit her up.
Capri. Pre-cum.
Capri.
Capricorn.
Capricorn.
So what did Capri just forget?
How do you not bring a passport into an
I only
airport?
need my license.
Doesn't bring... So she couldn't find her passport as she's at the airport.
Story out of
Have
it.
you used Find My Passport app on your iPhone?
Yeah, I tried calling it.
Really?
It didn't answer.
Just like
damn.
any other calls? I'm kidding.
Just got some breakfast. I got a BLT bagel from McDonald's.
It's like a whole village right came out.
Good job, your fam.
Yeah, I see cousin over there, auntie over here.
So this is my outfit of the day, a cute sweater that I got from Maru, my white jeans that I was wearing yesterday, ripped jeans from Maru as well, and my belt from Glassons, and my shoes from the warehouse. And my nice coat I stole from my mum's closet.
Oh, we actually.
Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Bye, guys.
Bye. Capri.
Alright, fuck off now, don't come back. No. Hope she doesn't come back. Better eat her food.
Let's go find a new flatmate now.
Gotta be like willing to share the food with the rest of us.
Wow. It is 5:30 exactly, so now we're gonna go to Sola's house and wake him up. I'm back with my best friend.
Ah shit!
So it is currently 7 AM. We just picked up Sola about half an hour ago. We've been posted up at the McDonald's park because we have nothing really to do.
And Zaren's in the back.
Zaren's in the back asleep. So it is currently 9:36 in the morning. We spent the last like half an hour trying to find a park in Auckland City. Now we're parked up and we have nothing to do. We're meeting up with Zaren's friend at 12. So we have a long time to wait. And my legs are burning from walking up the hucks yesterday. Okay, so we're out of the car now. We're going for a roam around Auckland. Oh my god. I just got some sushi as a snack.
Yeah.
You big chillin'.
This is so nice. Like, look at that fountain.
Wi-Fi.
So we're currently at a Japanese restaurant called The Don in Auckland getting
really
lunch. So I'm here with Joey. Sola's here with Shelly and Zaren.
Oh my god.
I'll tag Shelly's Instagram below. Go follow her Instagram.
Yeah.
I'll pop it right here.
No,
I'm
okay, thanks. You guys.
Shelly's YC leader.
Alright, so we're just going back to Hamilton from Auckland. We basically spent the day catching up with everybody in Auckland. Hey, we cruised around for a bit, visited a few shops. How was that? Was that good?
No, that was terrible.
No, talk about how today went.
Oh.
Well. Oh, Krystina.
Yeah.
We got together before.
That's all good.